Modi to take oath at 7 p.m. at Lok Kalyan Marg, New Delhi. Marine folk songs may vanish soon in the absence of written record. And gas stove cylinders provided under PMUI render useless. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA and now let's have the news in details. As preparation are on for swearing in of a new government led by Narendra Modi, various BJP and National Democratic Alliance constituents have begun receiving calls to join the cabinet. The minister-designates were scheduled to meet Modi later at 7 this evening at Lok Kalyan Marg in New Delhi, where the swearing-in ceremony is set to begin. Many of those who have received calls are those who have been ministers in the previous administration. There are also some new inductees. Sources say allies are slated to get all seats, each for the Shiv Sena, the Lok Jan Shakti Party, the Janata Dal United, the Shiromani Akali Dal, the Anson Gana Parishad, the Apna Dal, the Rashtriya Lok Samata Party and the Republican Party of India A. According to sources, party President Amit Shah was calling up ministerial designates which include ministers Arjun Ram Meghwal, Narendra Tomar, D.V. Sadananda Gowda, Ramdas Athawale, Suresh Angadi, Prakash Javadekar, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Piyush Goyal, Dr. Jitendra Singh and Kiran Rijiju. New names such as Kailash Chaudhary, R.C.P. Singh, Devasri Chaudhary, Rameshwar Teli, Arvind Sawant, Prahlad Patel, Som Prakash, Kishan Reddy, Krishan Pal Gujar, Renuka Singh Saruta and Arjun Munda were also surfacing as probable ministers. Modi and BJP President Amit Shah held marathon meetings on Tuesday evening and yesterday afternoon to finalize the list of ministers. It remains unclear if Shah would be made a minister since the BJP follows one man, one post rule. As per sources, Amit Shah was keen on retaining the top party post with several state elections ahead, including Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Haryana, but his presence in the cabinet was also being considered. YSR Congress Chief Yaduguri Sadinti Jagan Mohan Reddy was sworn in today as the second Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh post its bifurcation. Governor E.S.L. Narasimhan administered the oath of office and secrecy in a grand public function at the IGMC Stadium near Vijayawada. Reddy alone took oath on Thursday while his Council of Ministers is likely to be constituted on June 7. Ambassadors of various countries, representatives from unilateral and multilateral agencies, international donor agencies, industry associations, multinational corporations and international media have been invited to witness the event at the AP Bhavan. Elaborate security arrangements with about 5,000 police personnel in deployment have been made in Vijayawada city for the swearing-in ceremony. Lok Sabha MP of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, has expressed his gratitude to the electorate for giving vote for him in the 17th Lok Sabha general election to Inner Parliamentary Constituency. In his message, Dr. R.K. Ranjan thanked all the volunteers of the BJP, his colleagues and the public for their support during the election campaigns. Dr. Ranjan also assured that he will work accordingly to the sentiments and wishes of the people. Oral folk songs of Marine tribe in Manipur may vanish soon if they are not written and recorded. Since time immemorial, like other tribes, Maring community has been a part of Manipuri folk songs. Songs like Maring na Saba Sangbaibu na Mahangba Haunabra and Maringi Tendi Nayatpi Taunagi Tendi Hupuba have lingered in the ears of the people till date. But among the Maring tribes, there is a fear that these songs will be gone away after a few generations, since the songs are mostly in the oral tradition. Most of the Marings follow Christianity. When it comes to identity, costume, and traditions play a significant role. It is our duty to conserve them. What more heartbreaking is the fact that the veteran folk singers are unhappy that they are not able to preserve these songs, which are part of our history. The veteran folk singers have urged the current government and the concerned department to work on the conservation of folk song of small communities.
Aduna Mohoji Sidrin Gansida, Darker over Kuding Equi Passionaba, Oji Equi custom and culture di, Christian Oikramnina, Atamna Masitam Bayaudravadi, Equi custom and culture Shimankrani, Habisi Equi Tungda Ileba Ishehan by Kushuyam, the toy way. Adu Mashi Mang the Nabidamota, Kuna Tam Nabidamota whole to Darker way. Aduna Kuding Makashi, Equina Shwan Bigidamokta, Oji Equi. Custom and culture ki folk song dance kudimak tamnaba koi tongan ba wholesale jati koi marui ba koi isai yamna leri koi ke maringi custom gi si masing si cham hena lei aduna masi sing se koi na tambina ba oja dargar oi aduna asigi oja asina koi na lemna adugumba tambi ba khobi ba puthok ba masa masa gi sura hingjabani na aduna toana Matamji Kaitolaga, Angangsina Tambi Kopibese, Asikumaji Yam the one to e. Aquina Mashi maintained over Camu, Equitoracre, Adubungamde, Aduna Mashi, Moruina, Quay Manipur Gormangi Saita, Quay Yamna Insilaningi, Christian Habisica, who customary habits the Kene. Christian habits in the Tawaigini, customary habits in the pretty labor me, Kudimana, Isha Isagati, Bushak Taknangai, Quay culture and custom machine attacked. Aduna Christian habits the Tawai Kakini. Aduna magi mi amamam gi thabakni aduna koi custom and culture habisidi koi jati pumbu cover toba ja pochak amani aduna koi culture sika Christian ga siam na thina khenai aduna culture si koi mangan me yade habise ko hujik ti leriba koi juk asida koi moroi koi khanduna le
na ai gi tawsi ai su hanu su ore han su silakle tung ge le on mai ita isu sinda Pauta oina laying si aina laybisi. Aluna hoi maringa kaitamuari isay isi lim namang itaurihana ay wakan yamsang na honamni. Matam kay isay pauye kanta kay isay santu kanta santu kay isay tin kapata tin kapa kay isay taban chong kay isay say yami maringisi asi yum challo masi asuk thamlausu masi aina hiding masi gorming asi kara yengsin piwa na aina hajarini
Firewood is still used for cooking purposes in many households in remote and far-flung areas of Manipur. Recently, a Tom TV team visited Tauthong village in Lamsang, located in the outskirts of Imphal West district, and it was learned that there were more than 35 households in the village that use firewood for cooking. One could easily purchase LPG fuel gas cylinder only at Rs 350 to 450 some years back. But with the new subsidy policy being introduced by the present central government, the price of one LPG gas cylinder has been hiked at Rs 800 to 900 on the assurance that some portion of the subsidy amount will be transacted back to any linked bank account holder.
gas se kana tawbanina laira banina thongba ju ngamdare didi paisa ju yambanina koju chingna dum thongaga kana tawre adum leiba ju ngamdare.
Though it is easy for well-to-do families to pay the new price, the new subsidy policy is proven to be a big problem for several people living below the poverty line. More importantly, providing free gas connection cards to poverty-stricken families by the government is useless until and unless economic and social issues are solved from the grassroots level.
Sumaina koi gas mamang dagi jo pasamni chonga pi ngai da buk thongam darkan jida hujikti palising mathak hena yore rising maya yore sidi kana amtana ju thongam maroi koi ju thongba ju ngam dre suraga nomaga chabani na laira bani na huji pokta sing thira nomaga adum thongi koi huji gas cylinder yenari ba memja phangbu budi yauna re hai ko koi gi oina di kai mo phangbu khotpa lagidri.
The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme has already covered a total of 714 districts in the country, and the concerned department has proudly announced on distributing more than 1 crore free PMUY connections to women folk of the country so far. The concern here is on the number of active connections to be counted, since a large number of gas stoves and gas cylinders provided to the masses under the scheme have rendered useless.
Ya thon mayam na phangnari basing je koi hai ju hai rudre adagi leiba su ngamdre ko hujiki wang na maman se tange hong nge da bok leiba ngamda bani na hudik tanga ga di leiba ngamda mi sing tawra tha ga thong ji mangai re adugi upai leita na sing adum taw le
gas de tang mani na hujik koi thong budo.
A 35-year-old man was allegedly tied up and beaten to death yesterday at Bithel home at Langol, Type 2, Imphal. The deceased has been identified as Sanatomba, a resident of Lamjingbam Awang Lekai Il Hangang of Imphal East. The family has claimed foul play in the incident. Reportedly, the incident came to light when someone from Bethel home called up the deceased family informing that Sanatomba was having difficulty in breathing. Upon reaching there, they found him dead at the home. This is Sanatomba's sister-in-law. Memi told our reporter that the deceased earlier had health issue of frequent seizure. She said that he was sent to Bethel home where he had been staying since 30th of last month, during which there was little contact with him. Memi also mentioned that Bethel home is not a registered rehabilitation center. He urged the government to close down such a rehabilitation home and also appeal for justice. The family claimed the body today and later submitted copies of a memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister and the Superintendent of Police seeking justice in the death of Sanatomba.
Penjagadamni aduna moina tawramiba potadi sirakana pau pibirakpanina akoina mado amuk hana mayam changdana masida achumba haibase mayam tawriba mayam sumaina angam ba setana sana ba angam hatupiba si tawbagi mahutta phajana gyan tana chiga hoiga maiga hainaraga afaba center afaba home link khatpidana inkhalariban haron singsibu afaba lambida lamjingbinaba si tawbiyo haiba wahaisinatana khoi kaisu haijaningai leisate.
Now let's have a short break. We will bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Oripok Bachuspati Laikai and Naramthong Kolem Laikai, Imphal. HSLCE 2019 at a glance. Congratulations, a school where winning is the habit. Superstars of heritage gets a cash prize of ₹1 lakh each. Arena Wycombe, daughter of Wycombe Wilson Singh, 15th position, 92%. Total mark 552. Selina Laishram, daughter of L. Surchandra Singh, 20th position, 91.17%. Total mark 547. Sanjinbam Parekh, son of Sanjenbam Naupasing, 22nd position, 90.83%, total mark 545. Trailblazers gets a laptop each. Elangbam Lingjen Leibi, daughter of E. Naubi Singh, total mark 540, 90%. Henry Nauram, son of N. Nandeshore, total mark 530, 88.33%. Leo Tauchom, son of T.H. Romeo, total mark 527, 87.83%. K.H. Rohit Singh, son of K.H. Rameswar Singh, total mark 522, 87%. S. Veronica, daughter of S. Dhanachandra, total mark 516, 86%. R.K. Lamchin B, daughter of R.K. Joy Chandra, total mark 514, 85.67%. S. Debyarani Chanu, daughter of S. Biramangol Singh, total mark 511, 85.17%. And Narmada Devi, daughter of N. Thoiba Singh, total mark 511, 85.17%. Felicitation on 25th of May, Saturday at Haurang Sabal Heritage Campus number 3, opposite Haurang Police Station, Imphal West.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, near Manipur University First Gate.
Admission opens for class 11, both arts and science.
Some highlights of the school: scholarship for meritorious students, strict discipline, separate hostels for boys and girls, gymnasium and fitness centers, guest professors and lecturers, smart classrooms, special concession for handicapped, OBC, ST and SCs, orphans, art and theatre, free education, free admission, separate study rooms for brilliant students, maximum first divisioners, letter mark holders, subject toppers, inspire awardees in the higher secondary examinations, direct admission for the wards of strict parents. IPS, top.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tawhanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom, chumabra?
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. The District Administration Bishnupur organized a felicitation program for the meritorious scheduled caste student where Dr. Ambedkar Foundation under the aegis of National Award Scheme awarded the students. The program was held at the B Block Conference Hall at Mini Secretariat Complex, Bishnupur today. In connection with the event, DC of Bishnupur, Pawan Yadav, expressed happiness as such honorable award was given to the female scheduled caste student. DC Pawan Yadav presented 6 scheduled caste students a cash prize along with certificates during the event. SDC of Bishnupur Y. J. Lakshmi, DSWO of Bishnupur and Jyotis, SDC of Bishnupur O. Joy Chandra and staff of District Administration Establishment Section A. Buddha Sarma were the main guests.
Become in life, whatever you want to do, you should strive hard towards your ambitions and aim so that you can achieve whatever you want.
The Patriot Bible College celebrated its 4th graduation day at Liangmai Baptist Church, Dubalalan, Imphal under the theme, Therefore Go and Make Disciples, of all the nations. Professor J. Thomas from USA attended the event as the speaker. Professor J. Thomas from USA, who attended as the guest speaker, expressed his happiness for conducting such graduation ceremony, which helps in delivering the message of unity and peace of different ethnicity around the world.
Dreams not just vanish, but dreams that will linger on all their lives, disciple all ethnic groups. So not only in their own ethnic groups, but also to go cross-culturally within Manipur and also across Northeast and all across India and across the world. For that, discipleship needs discipline.
The All Manipur BDF Welfare Association, comprising of 16 districts, BDF personnel has threatened to launch a cease work strike if the service extension order of 2019 along with the honorarium are not released latest by June 6. The decision was taken after the Association Control Committee, along with the guardians of the BDF personnel, held a meeting at Manipur Press Club. Addressing the media person, General Secretary cum spokesperson of AMBDF-WA, Mohammad Riaz Khan said, usually service order for BDF personnel was renewed every year and the order was released by February or March every year. But for the current year, the service extension renew order is not released till today. He said that despite the fact that BDF personnel were deployed along with the central and state forces, even in the 17th Lok Sabha election recently, their honorarium, ration money and salary have not been given for 3 consecutive months. The association appealed to the related department to do the needful as early as possible, while warning that the association will launch a cease work strike from June 6.
Service extension asi sahi mari manga si koi BDF Welfare Association Central Committee na koi mari lenaba higher authority ki secretary ki Home Department sidai de koina tanraga lakpani adubu mamangda official staff process sidai da CS amuktang file si raul ama chatpa kandai de ko order si hek thokpi chahi kudingi adubu handakti 3 times and around akoi mai de staff sing department manung sida home department sida file chatla phawda ngasi phawba akoi extension order si thokpi dri akoi ki services extension pibi drabadina ngasi gi lenga ngasi gi madi state asigi akoina adi duty tawrubagi amadi makhatana khulai paidana state asigi law force ngak pe khoi darkar thoina orektraba haibagi khusauna bodu khoi delai.
A man who disguised himself as a cop and threatened the residents of Wangkem Khul in Imphal East by showing arrest warrants was caught by the locals and handed over to police. The incident took place last evening around 7 before the imposter was handed over to Irilbong police station. He was identified as Thongram Inaw Singh, aged 57 years from Chanam Sandrop Mamang Lekai. A local said that the man entered the houses of 8 to 9 people and inquired about the address of the secretary and the president of the local club, showing a fake arrest warrant issued by Civil Justice Senior Division. Growing suspicious over his behavior, the locals rounded him up and took to the office of Wangkem Nongmailema Youth Club for questioning. In the past, Inaw had also disguised himself as a police and threatened the locals. The locals have been keeping a close eye on him since. According to the locals, part of the grazing ground to Wangkem village have been under litigation over illegal encroachment. Mewar University, Rajasthan is providing special advantages to students from Manipur, especially to scheduled tribes who want to pursue higher studies. Speaking to media at Adim Jati Complex, Imphal, Finance Secretary of All Tribal Students Union Manipur, Atsum, S.R. Andrea said that the union has been looking for a university where students from the state can get some concession in taking admission to help poor ST students in pursuing their dreams. After considering various universities in the country for the last 2 years, Mewar University is now extending immense support and imparting education to a number of students from the state under special arrangement. S.R. Andrea also maintained that today the varsity not only extends support to scheduled tribe students but also to scheduled caste and general students.
Irrespective of various communities, various castes, various race, akoina leiriba state sida akoigi leiriba youngsters singse larik ki lamben sida changdradi leiriba akoigi manipur ku issue myam se solve of the wagani have se akoi achumna khanjabani as an achum itself only akoina larik tambagi akoina student fellow student being singda akoina mating pangbo yamdi ngamde adu musigumba steps university amaga pulle heraga akoigi generation lakadoba students singda lamben kitang pibiba have se koi achumge wakhaloni.
General Secretary of Atsum, Saiboy Haukip, and Director of Mewa University, retired Group Captain G.S. Bohra also attended the press meet. G.S. Bohra said Mewa University is an AAC accredited and courses like engineering, computer, mass and media science and technology are available at the varsity. G.S. Bohra continued that special arrangements have been made for students from Northeast states at the institute.
We have various faculties, the newly added courses. We have the BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. We have the Firefighting, Fire Control and Management courses. We have BTech in all the major streams like computer, electrical, mechanical, instrumentation, transportation, all BTech we have.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU has said that the Wangoi branch of AMSU has been reformed to strengthen the union organization under the supervision of AMSU Headquarters Secretary Irom Kennedy on 26th of this month. In a press note, the union further informed that new office bearers of AMSU Wangoi branch have also been elected. A team of Imphal West Commando under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal West AG Sarma conducted search at hotels and lodges located in and around Thangal Bazar and Pauna Bazar in Imphal City. Hotel Avenue, Niran Lodge, Polo Inn, Hotel Siroi, Hotel Kangla Inn, Hotel Nongin, Hotel City Heart, Hotel Embassy and Prince Lodge were searched by the team. However, no areas were met during the search. Police have been carrying out routine search operations at hotels and lodges in the city to flush out unwanted elements. Meanwhile, a combined team of Imphal West Commando and personnel of Imphal Police Station conducted a search operation in and around Thangmiban, Thingil Maru and Polem Lekai of Imphal West this morning. In the operation, around 800 people were verified through proper identification. However, there were no reports of arrests. Now let's have a short break.
India ki top universities singi marakta ama oiriba Assam Downtown University, Guwahati the engineering, management, nursing, pharmacy, hotel management, paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna, Sitful Oidringai the Nasimak Lakpiduna Ming Chanbiyu. Admission office Assam Downtown University, Babupara, Bosemlerak Imphal.
Kangla packaged drinking water.
lamjingba group ki unit ama oiriba Kangla packaged drinking water lakliba June ki tang kunda launch tawziragani. Hairiba numit asidagi hauna miyamda home delivery ki kuthangda ising pibagi thabak su hawzaragani. Yumthong khudingmakta khudong chaba asi pizagani. Athoba matamda register tobiyu akaknaba matam kharagi oina pizariba khudong chaba asi manghanbiganu. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau 8257 888 737.
Hey, Bima, exam pass to bugi haraugi di later no unga pami du karigino.
Pamoyage skupuna taminradi I like tamatoge.
Ay yayma amtang ako. Nangbu koi ibim ga lairik punna tamina ba tanbane.
Ay science stream pame. Aduga ko ichanto mina art stream. Aduga Manipuradi science ka arts ka pulap tamina ba yaba afaba school amata sulaite. Ako ichanto mina ay pulap samina ningdana tawrine bacho.
Hey, karigino na hey no eduyang wari duba. Ha. Noi ani punna tamina ba yaba school ni na ay nathiba saluri sa. Imphal Airport manakta leiba changangai usikod na ne. Advanced School of Arts and Science ay na maling khaledra. Haribi school is the MIL gi subject khudimak loina tamba yare. Adu isu matakta tha ahum khudingi free medical check-up.
Hey, nangbo adiyam phaba school am phangaga nacha ani gi form loruk tridi karigino.
Taso isu apam minati kai dorage. Say form.
Lori in here.
Lengsin birau miyamgi kudum chanabagi damakta leizare Coro Finance. Coro Finance na apikwa sendoida loan pizeri. Supnatagi isagi photo passport ahu amadi Aadhaar Xerox ko pubirakna lalon idi tawbiriba ima ibel na loan ase lawbiyu. Kupa Marolgi Damak Coro Finance ki manager ga tanabiyu. Mafamdi Tera Bazar opposite oil pump Longjam building near Ima Wangthunbi Lairembi National Highway 37 Imphal Jiri Lambini. Aikoi ki contact number di 60090219090. Amuka na haizari aikoi ki contact number di 60090219090.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja lising ama chawpat marifom doi ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lerek laba Nauka gi Infal Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabang ngam da bi awaba mayok na di bina al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic tanga simak lenshin direktuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable odaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangal wala badom gi khangna chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 60009545159.
Welcome back. Over 30 passengers night buses have remained stranded at Balipura near Tezpur, Assam following a roadblock caused by a powerful storm last night, sources said today. In Assam, a cadre belonging to ANDFBS was arrested by Kachugan police yesterday. The arrested has been identified as Rahitan Narjari from Aksikuri village under Mahukuma Saribel police station. One AK-56 rifle, one magazine, one 7.65 pistol and one live round were seized from his possession as per a police source. It is almost certain that 47-year-old Kiren Rijizu is again getting a ministerial bout. The young and dynamic BJP MP from West Arunachal defeated his nearest rival, Nabam Tuki of the Congress by a margin of 1,74,843 votes, while Rijizu received 63.02% votes. Tuki polled only 14.22% votes. BJP supporters in Arunachal Pradesh claimed that the BJP leadership has given clear indication that Rijizu is being inducted again in the ministry. As the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, Rijizu made a name for himself in the national political theatre for his oratory skill and smartness. Though he lost the election in 2009 by a margin of 1,300 votes, Rijizu was elected to the 16th Lok Sabha in 2014 from the Arunachal West constituency. At least 7 people were killed and nearly 20 were missing after a pleasure boat carrying South Korean tourists capsized on the flooding Danube in the Hungarian capital. The boat reportedly collided with another tourist vessel near the Hungarian Parliament building before turning over on the river, which has been flooding with very strong currents while a rainstorm enveloped Budapest. In Seoul, the foreign ministry said the vessel sank with 33 South Korean tourists and a crew of 2 Hungarian aboard, adding that 7 of the tourists were rescued, but 7 died and 19 were missing. An emergency rescue team is among the 18 official South Korea plans to send to the Budapest. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, 12 Congress MLAs stepped down from party's post. Modi to take oath as Prime Minister for second consecutive term today. Mother of renowned fashion designer found murdered. Drugs worth rupees 11.35 crore seized. The People's Chronicle, 12 Congress MLAs give up MPCC post, rule out BJP option. Step down likely to exert pressure on top leaders. Fashion designer's mother found killed. 2 quizzed. New known faces likely in Modi cabinet. Education Department to lead Green Planet course. Imphal Free Press, 12 Congress MLAs relinquish MPCC post. State gives prosecution sanction to 6 CDO personnel in FAC encounter case. MLA's resignation meant to rejuvenate Congress party, says Gaikhangam. School principal convicted for sexual assault. Manipur Mail, 12 Congress MLAs resign from organizational post. 65,000 saplings to be planted, says Radheshyam. SC refuses to release Karti's rupees 10 crore deposit as security to travel abroad. Mamata Bizayan not to attend Modi's swearing-in ceremony.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Modi to take oath at 7 p.m. at Lok Kalyan Marg, New Delhi. Marine folk songs may vanish soon in the absence of written record. And gas stove cylinders provided under PMUY render useless. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.